Hello friends and welcome to our review of the Glen Egg Boiler 3036, the most convenient way to boil eggs for daily breakfast without any monitoring required. Equipped with efficient and safe flat heating plate, this egg boiler works with purified drinking water to avoid scaling on the heating plate. It has soft, streamlined looks. It has 3 boiling settings: soft, medium and hard as per your taste, and it can boil 8 eggs at a time. Also, the boiled eggs can be kept fresh, tender and nutritious after steaming or boiling. The egg boiler can also be used for steaming different foods such as dhokla and idlis. The transparent lid allows you to watch the process. The egg boiler also comes with 4 poaching cups to make 4 poached eggs in one go. It also has a steaming rack for convenient usage. It has a 500-watt heating element to heat it fast. To start steaming the eggs, add appropriate amount of water and place the eggs on the shelf and secure with the lid. Plug in the boiler and press down the button. The power will turn off once the water in boiler is dried. The perfectly steamed eggs are ready to eat. It comes with a measuring cup and 3 water levels for simple operation. The egg boiler is also quite easy to clean after use. To sum up, this egg boiler is a great appliance to prepare healthy breakfast. It's compact and handy, and yet you can do so many things with it. Glen Egg Boiler 3036 comes with 2 years brand warranty. For further details, please refer to the product page.